In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Real search box in the new tab page in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick Chrome tweak that can make your new tab experience look and feel more like a real search page instead of the default setup. If you use Chrome every day, this is one of those small changes that can make a big difference. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips, software tutorials, and easy tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome is open, you're ready for the next step. Now click inside the address bar at the top and type chrome://flags. This takes you to Chrome's experimental settings page, where Google keeps advanced features and hidden options that are not enabled by default. After typing it in, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome flags will open, and you'll see a search box at the top of the page. This is where you can quickly find the exact feature you need without scrolling through a huge list of settings. In that search box, type RealBox. Chrome will filter the results and show only the related flag. Look for the setting called NTP Realbox Next. This is the one that controls the Real search box behavior on the new tab page. By default, it is usually set to default, which means the feature is not fully turned on. To enable it, click the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting from default to enabled. Once you switch it to enabled, Chrome will recognize that you want this feature active. This is the key step that turns on the Real search box experience for your new tab page. Take a moment to make sure the correct flag is selected, because Chrome Flags contains many similar-looking options, and you want to change only the one you need. After that, go to the bottom of the page and click Relaunch. Chrome will close and restart automatically so it can apply the new setting. This relaunch step is important because most Chrome flag changes do not take effect until the browser restarts. When Chrome opens again, go to a new tab page and check the search box. You should now see the updated Real search box behavior enabled in Chrome. If it doesn't appear immediately, try opening another new tab or refreshing the page once Chrome fully reloads. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Real search box in the new tab page in Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it can be a really useful customization if you want a cleaner, more search-focused browsing experience. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.